So yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Man, and you know you guys are asking part 2 for the board video. Man, so actually we did have to remove the material from the first video. Let me show you guys, because we have one thing we call portal. Yeah, we never really did understand that we did have to put it inside on the mold first before we place on the material. So we actually have to go ahead and remove the material and start about the process all over again. And so here we have the roving that we have placed on. It look like crocus bag. I don't know a crocus bag. That's how it look. And so I have to ensure that it's soaked properly in the liquid. If it's soaked properly, I ensure we don't have any air bubbles inside it. And so that's what we are doing right here. And this process, it take a while, you know guys. You can't use it. I have to make sure you do good. So when it dry, we don't have no issue. And so that's what you are going. Stay tuned and I go guide you along. And I make you understand fully what we are doing. And this actually take about 5 to 6 hours. And that's how long it take, because I have to take the time and do it properly. Yeah, and also we have to cover it from the sun, because the sun dry the resin, and the liquid name is resin. The sun dry it very fast, so we have to cover it up. As long as the sun start to catch it, it start to dry. And so that's what taking place. And because it's only the 3 of us, so we have to take time to cut material and to give them a helping hand also. And so just bear with me with that part. And guys, at the first time I actually see how both make. At the first I see the process. And this boat is actually 24 feet long, and I think about 4 feet wide. About 3.5 to 4 feet wide. Guys, and the material too, guys, the material is very expensive, so maybe it will take me about a few months to finish, because the material is very expensive to buy. But you guys are going to see all of the process, and soon after this we are going to board it. We are going to line the side with board, so you keep it shape and keep the stiffness. So you guys are going to see all of that. I'm going to take on along every step of the way. So I hope you enjoy the video. So just continue to watch, and you guys will see everything that's taking place. Remember, you know, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
That is it, guys, you know. Go outside.
People say we have all the way up here to come. All the way up this side. So I'll just stay tuned and watch how I go on.
keep it around. I'm going to put in third piece of course now, guys. I'm going on next side, you know. But, you know, I'm going to get the things out of the right here, man. You sure say about the good, you know, man. No mistake, you know, man. No beef steak. Yeah, it makes sense to start putting too much work, and then afterwards, mistakes start, you know. That makes sense. You guys must have want to see how going on, you know, man. And let's stop one front time from now again. Just one more, more again, you know, guys. When the work starts, you know, when I stop. Encourage young youth them, not fishing, you know. Yeah. Rolling back forward.
So these are the course. So the course one now I'm gonna put on.
The next piece of it. Can I try that? Yeah. The next I'm fine about it. Alright, how much is one full set? Give me a catch. No. What I said I'm gonna do later. I said I'm gonna go with this one. You understand me? Yeah. The one that's fine about it. One is fine upon the side, eh? Yeah, one piece of side fine upon the side. So, okay, one piece upon the side. Yeah, one me upon the side. One. Yeah, man, no. One fine upon the side. See that, guys? Nearly make a mistake, you know? Nearly. Can't afford that.
I'm wanting to use so. You want to work, come on, you know? Come on, you know?
Comment, share, subscribe, you know? Hit that post notification bell, so the video them drop and get them, you know?
And that is
Me
it,
and
man.
Dandy and Young Chaps TV outside. Believe me.
Fully outside, man.
Yeah, believe so.
Fully outside, my
Believe
people.
so, yeah. Alright, little piece one I put in now, guys. Available material for sit down in a group, right? You know? Like the air bubble them, the sink on the side, so the creases there, and float it back up. So that type is a fine, you can hold the material right there, hold the liquid. So the bubbles then float out of it, you know? And the bubbles are in there, but now go make good. You know, you guys must love on the one. You know? Come on, see your bubbles there, guys. And you see the leak pretty white. You know, yeah, man, the air bubbles that, man. I could force you out of it. They can't be fine over some than this.
So yeah, man, people put in and more piece of the fine material. This is the fine material, this guys. So, now they define the material we call the matting. The matting are the fine one. The coarse one we always talk about when you're roving. It's a matting and a roving. The roving are the coarse one, the matting are the fine one.
I don't know what to say. Let's tap on for some more.
Yeah man, people, so this is work we put in so far, you know guys. And this is it.
Double shot up. Next piece of flat. Move it.
So yeah man, people, and let's put on one more piece of course. Yeah, man, I don't say this is roving. So the roving guys. Course. So the roving. And this give the boat the strength, you know guys. Yeah, man. The roving, that give the boat the strength. Man, without this night, the roving, the boat weak. Right, so we'll go on and put on the fiberglass.
That is it, guys. That's why I'm gonna believe in a man.
Yeah, man,
Believe
so,
in
man,
a woman.
put in the work, man. Believe me, man.
I believe in a. Why I can't do this sometimes. Love your work, man.
It's a lot of work I put in, man. Remember, you know, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that is it. They are put in the work. Meanwhile, they over here, so same way. I go and cut up the material then. Man, so as you can see, I start cut the piece here already. And so I go ahead now and finish it up. But you know we have to build a shed. Put chop all in. Well, because the sun really hot, you know guys. So we build a chop all in shed. Man, so I'm just stay tuned. Another part of the course I go on people.
Yeah, young champion.
Yeah, man. One young champion, man.
Oh my god.
But I got the hard at work.
Mix up some liquid right now, you know?
Fiberglass liquid are going. See, I want bar got hey, this are the hard now. It's a two cup.
Look at good.
I don't know, I want Baraga JA and a young champion TV back at the camera.
We outside at work, you know? One down deep on here over there, you know?
Mix him up together. Mix him. I mean,
Mix it, put it in the pot.
Mixing good, man.
Make sure you mix it
Good
good.
action, man.
Good, good job, sweet job.
Sweetening, man. Sweetening.
yeah. So, reach up to the bow now. So, inside the bow here. Inside the bow here, right? Yeah. Line up at the same time. That one, guys, so reach up to the end of the bow now. See the material. All the way down this side. All the way down there.
And so what carry that on?
Reach
Come on,
bow
straight
now.
here. Come to our father.
And guys, I remember, you know, guys, so like, share, comment, and subscribe. Man, that is it.
Just call him and tell him. I went check with.
I got done here, so now I put in femur to see him where.
Right.
So liquid.
I make some liquid.
So that I go on. So, man, have to make sure, you guys, the material wet properly. You have to wet properly. So that's what we're going to people and stay tuned. So yeah, man, people, we're up on the other side of the bow now. For about here. Where I got the hard at work.
Right.
Want to talk to the people?
Yeah, work, yeah? Make your back pain when you go in at night time. You have work to do? You can't do it. Yeah, that. Man, just see a boat and say, chop boat easy this and that, man. See boat and chop a boat. But a man boat where? Man want the money car boat expensive. No expensive. Better than that. Fisherman work hard. This thing I forget the tool to go out there. When a man say fisher come, oh yeah, I can throw a fish, I can. We understand one roll away right now, $40,000. One roll away now, guys. $40,000, the money, the rope, the stick, the nail, the wire. See all the thing I want to do to my father. I'm afraid.
Man, I see him here, so I got people. That's what I'm talking, guys. Fisherman lifestyle. Expensive.
Push them on. Push them on. You get the brush out.
Really expensive.
I want a rough piece of work, man. fishing rough, guys. I'm gonna tell you one engine right now, at least 300,000, at least 115 right now, at 300,000. I mentioned 140, I want 60. 2.3 million dollar right now. So a man see you come and fish and the man say, yes, you catch no fish. But by the time the fish you catch can never cover the expense you have to pay for the sea with. Yes, the man 1 kilo feet. That the man understand sometimes. You look nice and easy.
We're still up at the bow here. Yeah, good guys, a close up our water place. Close up. Same thing, man. Well, that is it, man. Work off a put in, eh?
Yeah, man, that's why I want to do fish and candy. And can't manage the expense.
Yes, man.
You don't love this thing and you leave it alone. Candy mix up something, man.
That's a man.
Yeah, that's man.
Yeah, man, Passes, talk to the people, man. I know what I'm going.
Babes, you must say from all my video. I mean, if I can't have video. How am I going to understand know what I'm going? We don't see about a sail on water and I know the work, go. A hard work and dedication. So, if make you know guys know what I'm going, can't stop video, man. Work, you know. Yeah, man, see you next part, I go to the boat, guys. What am I going to do? See that? I'll be in your pocket, guys. See that? Well, it's a fine now. Spread over them. Yeah, man. We get this a fine and spread over them, man. We get you the ear, you know? We want the ear pocket, see, man? Make sure we get your ear pocket, guys. The boat. Yeah, the boat again a problem, you know? We can't afford that. Boat and I go and pay me. Here we go. Then you know that the one and I go pay me, you know that now. I mean need pay. Yeah, but we can't afford for the man work.
So I finish up at the bow here. Take out the leaf here. I'm tired of it. I forget where you are there and leaf there.
It's strong enough to get all of the yeah, drop shot and move on to the other part of the boat. Yeah. Strongest part of the boat. Part of the engine of the boat. Okay, the boat.
Yeah, but I just want to stay tuned. Watch what going on, man. Because I put in. I'm on a part of the work team, you know.
Great, look this one.
Proper look.
That's great. Okay. Big start discuss.
Yeah.
So guys, up here so now we are finish up the bow part. Yeah, man, I don't know, I'm telling you in the previous part I video say that part of material like course. Yeah, man, the roving are the course one, and that one where part is having a hand are the matting. Yeah, man, that's the fine one. And this is the course one. Yeah, so the course and fine. So the matting are the fine one, and the roving are the course one. And the roving give the boat its strength, you know, guys. And the roving give the boat its strength. And guys, we never see how the boat finish up and thing. And here, so we almost finished. We just have down to the back to finish up. Man, and if you made this far of the video, guys, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. Man, I just want to say thank you all for watching. Man, hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. Man, because we learned a lot today. Yeah, and we still have a lot more to learn. And so now we're down here at the back, down to the stern. And this part here are the fine one I'm telling about. The matting. The matting are the fine one. So now I lay the matting first. And 2 layer the matting. So 1 more layer will go over that one. So 2 matting and 1 course. The course one and the roving. And that is it, guys. I don't know. So remember to jump over and channel and show the support.
Yeah, but
roll out all your bubbles.
One people, so that can go on.
like the way I see. The way I like the way.
Oh, nice, guys. Nice. Nice boat, people. Baraga go on the thing. Man, so now just stay tuned, people. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
You wait at it?
Yeah, man, people, so boat almost finished. Last part.
Alright, guys, here we're going to run sharp on the course. So, I will use as much as we can, you know. Give it piece of course. Run piece of course in there, so.
The last piece of course, this, guys. Last piece.
Service. One part is a pop up, one part is a pop up.
Where did you sell oil floor?
Just tiny little piece of resin.
Resin this keeper. Finish up. Finish up, guys. Excellent.
Good beers,
you know?
nice.
Because you have one little more course.
Yeah, guys, you know, we come down to the finishing of the boat, you know. Yeah, man, for today. Alright, Odo. Use most of the course. Alright, the course finish at the, we call it, the stern. Show you guys. Yeah, man, you saw the stern of the boat, but I said the course finish, you know. So we'll get some course tomorrow. Yeah, man, and finish running out, you know. It's a beautiful look, man. That's what we're going, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man, it's a beautiful look, man. Lovely material, you know, man. And damn. Soon time from now, guys, you'll see it on the water run. Yeah, man, if you just believe in yourself, man, it can happen, man. Because right now, a boat like this will cost 700, 800,000 right now, guys. You see it? I mean, I'm bridging. Just come together. Yeah, man, because I'm coming today and show me 2 things I don't know, you know, man. Yeah. So I'm glad him fly in to come help me. Yeah, man, and show me 2 things I never really pick up, you know. Because it's a seal mold. Normally the boat will make boat, you know, is a open mold, you know. Can bust in 2, take off one side and take off the other side, but yeah, man, it's a seal mold. So right now, you come and show me 2 things, and I appreciate it still because I'm learning 2 things, you know. Yeah, man. Young Sham TV there. I pick jelly, you know. I say I pick jelly. Hey, what you do? Let me know. I put that there, I pick one. You don't pick that jelly, man. Oh, then young. Yes, I'm going to talk about. How much is there? Alright. That is it. Just stay tuned and go and try go on, guys. Yeah, man, guys. So that's the tool I'm going to use. Wash up the brush them and the roller, you know. I have my salt soda. Yeah, my soap water. Pure. So wash out them, man. You know, I get them wash out right now so I get maybe use again next time, you know. That is it, you know. Until next time, guys. Pick up on yourself, you know, man. Because, you know, the boarding up part I go leave of the boat. And when the boat no part I go leave, you know. But the boat them go up on the side. The boat them go up on the side and the seat. And the time when it float out, you go swag out, you know. Sure no guys are gonna float it out of the time all. And so that is it, you know.
So yes people, this is the end result. Yeah, man. So I want to say thank you all for watching, and please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, man. So catching you guys in the next part of the video, and we're gonna board up the side. Yeah, man. You guys are gonna see the part when we start to board up the side and float it out. It float out too as well, guys.